Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Shopify with Printify. First, you will need to create a Printify account or simply log in if you already have one. Once logged in, look for the My New Store section on your Printify dashboard. There, you will find the option to connect your store. Click the Connect button right next to the Shopify logo to start the seamless integration process. This initial step is quick and straightforward. Next, Printify will redirect you to your Shopify store. You will be prompted to log in to your Shopify account to proceed with the connection. It is important to carefully review the list of permissions that Printify requests to ensure you are comfortable with the access it will have. Once you have reviewed these details, simply click the Install App button to officially grant Printify access and complete this crucial authorization step. With your stores connected, you can now design your custom products directly within the Printify platform. Once your designs are perfect, navigate to your product list in Printify. Select the specific products you want to offer in your Shopify store. Finally, click the Publish button. This action will automatically transfer your chosen products, including their descriptions and images, directly into your Shopify product catalog, ready for your customers. After your products are live, Printify seamlessly integrates with your Shopify store to manage orders. When a customer places an order on Shopify, Printify automatically imports it into your account. You can then review and approve these incoming orders within your Printify dashboard. Once approved, Printify takes over, handling all aspects of printing, packaging, and shipping the products directly to your customers, making fulfillment effortless for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.